stop applying the ordinary BHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution to your face if your skin is still wet. This fatal mistake is silently burning your skin barrier and causing massive breakouts instead of clearing them. This famous blood red peeling solution can either be the holy grail for glass skin or a total chemical disaster if you use it wrong. In today's video, I am going to reveal the 3 survival rules you absolutely must know before using the ordinary peeling solution. I will also share exactly how I managed to clear up my stubborn closed Comedones with just a 10-minute routine each week. Have you ever spent a fortune on physical scrubs, vigorously rubbing your face, only to find those tiny bumps on your forehead and chin are still there? The problem is not that your cleansing routine is dirty. The real issue is that layers of dead skin cells have essentially turned into concrete deep inside your pores. Those surface-level scrubs simply cannot reach deep enough to dissolve that buildup. It leaves your makeup looking incredibly cakey and patchy, no matter how much hydrating primer you use. You feel frustrated, and honestly, your skin deserves better. This is exactly where the magic of chemical exfoliation steps in. This little bottle packs a serious punch with 30% BHA, which includes both glycolic acid and lactic acid. These acids work on the surface to melt away that dull, concrete-like layer of dead skin. Meanwhile, the 2% BHA, or salicylic acid, is all soluble, meaning it actually swims deep down into your pores to dissolve the stubborn sebum and trapped dirt. However, I have to be completely honest with you about the experience. When you first apply this thick, dark red liquid, you are going to feel a very noticeable tingling sensation. It bites a little bit, especially during the first 2 minutes. If your skin is currently inflamed, red, or if your skin barrier is compromised, this is absolutely not the product for you right now. You need to heal your skin first before attempting a peel this strong. Also, it is crucial to understand the difference between purging and a negative breakout. A little bit of purging in your usual problem areas is normal as the gunk comes to the surface. But severe irritation means you need to wash it off immediately. Because this peel is so incredibly popular, the market is unfortunately flooded with dangerous fake versions. The counterfeit products often have a bright, watery red color and contain harsh industrial chemicals that can severely damage your face. The authentic solution has a deep, rich plum color and a slightly viscous texture. To ensure your skin is completely safe, you should only purchase from authorized distributors or the official brand storefront. I have already found the genuine The Ordinary BHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution link for you. I place the official Amazon link right in the first line of the video description below, so you can shop with total peace of mind. Now, let us walk through the exact step-by-step process to use this safely at home. Step 1 is the most critical. Cleanse your face and wait until your skin is completely 100% dry. Applying this on damp skin makes the acid penetrate way too fast, which can lead to chemical burns. Step 2 is to apply a thin, even layer across your face, making sure to avoid the delicate eye contour and the corners of your mouth. Step 3 is to set a timer on your phone for exactly 10 minutes. Do not ever leave this on overnight or push past the 10-minute mark. Step 4 is to rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water. Immediately after rinsing, you must apply a thick layer of recovery cream. Look for soothing ingredients like vitamin B5, ceramide, or hyaluronic acid to comfort and rebuild that fresh skin. And please, remember that chemical exfoliants cause sun sensitivity. So wearing a high-quality sunscreen the next morning is not negotiable. It is not just my personal experience. Thousands of skincare enthusiasts have reported a dramatically smoother and brighter complexion after incorporating this into their routine for a month. The key to achieving that flawless glass skin is patience and strict adherence to the 10-minute rule. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint, and respecting your skin's limits will give you the best results. If you are truly ready to say goodbye to hidden acne and rough texture, it is time to take action. Click the official Amazon link in the very first line of the description, or check the pinned comment below to get your authentic The Ordinary peeling solution today. By the way, since post-peel recovery is just as important as the peel itself, you definitely need a good moisturizer. Click the video on the screen right now to watch my review of the top 3 recovery creams that pair perfectly with strong acids. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in that next video.